In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in a Webex meeting. Let's get started. First, you need to launch Webex. This is the foundation of your meeting, so it's crucial to get this part right. Open the application on your device, whether it's your computer or tablet. You will see the Webex interface come up, displaying options for meetings, events, and messaging. This visual familiarity is your gateway to effective communication. Once Webex is running, you are ready to move to the next step. Remember, having the application open is essential for accessing all of its features. Next up, within the Meetings section, click either Start or Join. If you are initiating a new meeting, select the Start option. If you are joining someone else's meeting, click Join and enter the meeting details. You may need to input a meeting number or link. This step is significant because it connects you with your colleagues or clients. You should see the meeting interface appear on your screen. This means you are now in the right place to begin sharing your content. Now, set up your audio and video settings and proceed in joining. It's important to ensure your microphone and camera are working properly. You want to be heard and seen clearly during the meeting. This is essential for effective communication and engagement. Once you have tested these settings, you can continue joining the meeting. This little step saves you a lot of time later by avoiding interruptions caused by technical issues. With that ready, click the Share button, which is represented by an icon showing a rectangle with an upward arrow. You will find this icon located in your meeting controls, usually at the bottom of your screen. Clicking this button is your entry point to sharing documents or presentations. Once you click it, a new window will pop up, offering you various sharing options. This action opens the door to collaboration, allowing you to share crucial information with your participants. Next, look at the bottom left of the pop-up window and click Share File. This option allows you to choose a document from your local drive. It's a straightforward step but essential for sharing specific files. After clicking, you will see a File Explorer window pop up. This is where you select the file you wish to share. Taking this step ensures that everyone in the meeting has access to the same information, promoting collaboration and understanding among participants. After that, browse your local hard drive, select the file, whether it's a Word document, PDF, PowerPoint, or another format, and click Open. This is where you make your choice clear. The file will then be prepared for sharing in the meeting. Selecting the correct file is vital, as this is the content you want others to see. Once you click Open, you may see a brief loading indicator, confirming that your file is being shared. This reassurance is critical because it shows that your actions are taking effect. Finally, to stop sharing, hover at the top of your screen and click Stop Sharing. This action returns your screen to normal, ending the file share. It's essential to know how to stop sharing as it allows you to regain control of your presentation space. Once you click this option, your participants will no longer see the shared file. You can feel confident that you have completed the sharing process effectively. With these steps, you can seamlessly share files in a Webex meeting. Each step plays a crucial role in ensuring that your meeting runs smoothly and efficiently. Enjoy your meetings and happy sharing!